Hello, do you heard about service marketing triangle? Okay, let's learn one new concept within 5 minutes, okay? Service marketing is about promises. Promises made and promises kept to customers. The service marketing triangle is a strategic marketing model. It provides a visual way of understanding the importance of people in a service business. So, service marketing triangle, we can say it is a dynamic model where three interlinked groups work together to develop, promote, and deliver services. These key players are labeled on the points of the triangle, that is, company, customer, and providers. Providers means employees. Between these 3 points of the triangle, there are 3 types of marketing that must be successfully carried out for a service to succeed. That is external marketing, internal marketing, and interactive marketing. See this figure, this is a strategic framework known as the service triangle. On the right side of the triangle are the external marketing efforts. External marketing means setting the promise or making the promise. That is, here marketers directly interact with the end users in order to know their needs. In other words, we can say this is the point where the firm engages in to develop its customer expectations and make promises to customers regarding what is to be delivered. For example, setting of price, creating awareness, and design the promotional strategies, etc. So, external marketing performed to capture the attention of the market and interest of the customer towards the company's services. Okay. Anyone or anything that communicates to the customer before service delivery can be viewed as a part of this external marketing function. But external marketing is just the beginning for service marketers. The promises made must be kept. So, on the bottom of the triangle, there is interactive marketing, that's also called real-time marketing. Here is where promises are kept or broken by a firm's employees, subcontractors, or agents. If promises are not kept, customers become dissatisfied and eventually they will leave. So, interactive marketing means delivering the promise. So, the people representing the organization are critical at this juncture. And this is the most important part of the service triangle. That is, if a employee fails to deliver at this level, then all the efforts made towards establishing a relationship with the customer would be wasted. It is through interactive marketing we establish as a long-term or short-term relations with customer. And the left side of the triangle suggests the critical role played by internal marketing. Internal processes which enable service marketers to deliver promises to customers. That is marketing to employees. A company view its employees as its internal customers and jobs and other programs as internal products. So internal marketing involves training the employees, motivating them, teamwork programs, teaching them customer satisfaction techniques, etc. In simple sense, to help the providers deliver on the service promise. Okay, through recruiting, training, motivating, rewarding, and providing equipment and technology. Okay. Unless service employees are able and willing to deliver on the promises made, the firm will not be successful. Nowadays, market leaders are aware of the external threats and opportunities that affect their business. They also know how to communicate with their clients and employees in order to achieve organizational goals. So, service triangle has great importance and its components are essential in the success of any business. Okay. So, that's all about service marketing triangle. Thank you for watching.